My friend!
So bad!
Our last goodbye.
I love my best friend. I'm gonna miss her. Okay, my face is healing now.
So, ladies, this is in my way. It's in my way. So I just ate some lunch, and I'm gonna be honest here, it wasn't good, okay? It just didn't really hit the spot, and wasn't really what I was looking for, but it was alright. Anyways, I did get, sorry. Anyways, I did get some cookies, and that's the only thing that matters right now is cookies. I will do a cookie review in a little bit. Just let me get on the highway and not die. Okay, so cookie tour, let's go. First cookie is, we have her. I think it's called a praline. Don't attack me, cookie lovers, if it's not called a praline. I don't know, but the texture is really turning me off, but it's interesting. It's not amazing, but it's definitely interesting. Next cookie option we have is, I don't remember the name. This is my favorite cookie. Not my all-time favorite, but it's pretty nice. It has like powdered sugar on it. And that's all the details I can give you. So let me try it. Yes. Voilà. Next one we have, again, I don't remember the names. I don't remember names. I'm bad with names. Even cookie names. I'm not good with it. But we have a cookie here. And we have nuts in it. That mixed in with the powdered sugar cookie. It's a really nice taste. This is really good. So, I'm gonna grade those. The first one, the praline, was not my favorite. The second one is an all-time favorite, but the third one was like a new choice. I wanted to explore, so I got that, the third one. And I really liked it, so I'm really glad mine did. So, there's me giving a cookie test. I have nothing else to do. Hey guys. So that's my walkie-talkie. L is for the way you look at me. Break my heart and please don't break it, love. Was made for me and you.
You are my fire, the one desire. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. What?
Hannah Baker.
Broke my heart on the road. Spend the weekend sewing the pieces back on.
Every time that you get undressed,
I wrote this song just looking at you.
This song's for you, Mackenzie.
baby boy.
Hey, this is for Ashley Stack and Micah Lutz.
Nothing more.
Stanford Athletic Adventure Club.
Turn up the bass, turn up the devil. I'm about to take it to a whole nother level. I just got a picture of love, and if you feel that way, go ahead and kiss your baby. And now we got the whole stadium in love like this.
Today is moving day. This is it. It's happening. And we're currently in a very long line. very long line. There's many people. This just might take a while. I really have to go to the bathroom. We have our number right there, or whatever that is. Dad right there. I just hopped into the car. I had a meeting to attend. And Hannah's driving my vehicle. Hello, everyone. It's gonna be a long day, long process. We're still using walkie-talkies. And we got Chipotle. So that's all I gotta say right now. Bye. So we're in. This is what we have so far. All my stuff. Kelly, Grace, and Emily are not here yet, but they will be. And they're gonna move in. But this is what we have so far. All right, now I'm hanging clothes. And we haven't got much done. That's what it looks like. This is my room.
Hello, virtual world.
Okay, there's my bathroom. It's not too pretty right now, but we're getting there. Me. Micah is here. Y'all see my phone in there?
Is it a video?
Yes.
Bug. We're
Fun times.
welcome to Alabama, Kaylee.
Thank you.
Roll Tide.
Oh gosh. It's recording. Okay, so it's recording right now?
2 nights ago. Yeah.
Should I just leave it on? Hello everyone. Wait, the lighting's bad. We're gonna go this way. Because the lights, we already have a cop in our room. Bad things are happening.
Not okay.
Do you want to be in it?
Missing.
Well,
Say what's missing. Where did he go?
Missing child.
No, we have missing stuff. Maybe even like on the way up, put it all on. Don't put me on that.
Okay, you've already been in it. Okay, let's hit that button. We're gonna do your makeup routine. You can just edit this bad stuff out, right?
We're wetting the beauty blender.
One clip is easier, because then you have to like put a bunch in. So we're just gonna make one long clip. I have a car, so we
She
can
knows how to drive.
go test.
Kaylee, get your license.
Oh, I can see myself in the mirror. Okay, I don't like zooming in. It's just some bad angles. Yeah, that's good.
This is too funny.
Lighting. Scoot this way just a little bit, Emily. Scoot up a little bit. Scoot up a little bit. Come up. You're good. You're good. Come up.
That's fine.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Harley's getting it on video.
Whoop.
That is so cool.
Oh my god.
That's cute.
Okay, good
He's like,
stuff.
get me out of here.
Love it.
We like people. I need one of
Yeah,
those.
good.
If y'all need anything, y'all let me know.
Good stuff.
So
Appreciate it.
you're in
Thank
president.
you.
He's in 2. You're in presidential 2.
Outfit of the day. Okay, Kelly, don't run away from me. Are you kidding me? That was a bad clip. Delete that. A meeting. Oh shoot! I had a cheetah brush with my hair dryer on there.
And the cheetah brush is here.
Can I have my phone back?
Just pulling her hair, doing curly things. Yep. Live footage of getting ready. And we'll be back with you guys in a little bit.
Yes.